Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to get your Wise IBAN number in just a few steps. So this works the same way in 2026 and only takes a minute. So first, simply open the Wise app or go to the Wise website and log into your account. So once you're in, you then have to go to the account section and select the currency that uses an IBAN. So for example, this could be Euro. So if you don't have one yet, Wise will prompt you to activate your account details. So once you do that, you then have to click on account details, and from there you will then be able to see your IBAN clearly along with your BIC and any other banking information. So you'll then be able to copy your IBAN directly from that screen or download the details as a document if you need to share them. And that's it. So you can now use your Wise IBAN for international transfers, getting paid, or setting up direct debits. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.